Hey guys, this is not my normal content in the kitchen, but I just want a tiny haul. So, you know how I got that basil cheese the other day from Shein? Let me just bring that over there. The Vaseline one, and at the bottom, the plug. You didn't know this, but I was at Somerset and the plug was coming out the bottom where they fill the thing. So it came out, put the on it, a tiny bit was coming out. Fine. Next day, the whole thing came out. I used it overnight, I didn't squish it. The next morning, it came out. So, and it's cracked all over the bottom. I could still squeeze it. We super glued it with a different glue. But yeah. And so my granddad ordered me another cheese. That's my nan. So my granddad ordered me another cheese, and I thought it'd be like tiny because Amazon. Yeah, it's massive. I actually love it. My God, there's so much air in it though. But it doesn't matter because it's massive. But I don't know where to put it because it's massive. So, okay, that was a message. Yeah, just one of my friends. But that's a plug. That's the plug because that's where you put this the filling in. I think this is clay inside. I actually love it, and it doesn't bounces back a tiny bit, but look at that. This is me. It's my hand, and this is the cheese. So absolutely, it bounces. Oh wait, guys! It bounces. Look. Oh, look at that. Wait, I actually didn't know that bounces, but okay, it bounces. Wait, okay, I'm gonna have to go. I haven't got much time left, but I'll see you after. Bye. I'll probably do another video after because my TV bottle's at my granddad's. But yeah, I got it. Oh my God, it smells terrible. Would it go down? It literally wouldn't go down. Anyway, bye.